In this video, I'm going to be clearing up the branches along the edge of this field behind me out to the stone wall to make things look better. But there's another reason why I'm pretty motivated to do this now, and that is it's kind of expensive when you have branches like this. I'll show you what I mean. Many older compact tractors like this Ford 1700 from the early 80s have vertical exhaust. So when you have vertical exhaust like this, it's sticking up, and any branch that you go by has the ability to hit this muffler, which is sticking up. And then of course, as the muffler catches them and holds them out of the way, they want to fling back in the operator's face. But the bigger issue is with this sticking up like this, you catch a branch up here, there's a lot of leverage on this. And if we look down here, this is just bolted onto the side of the engine. That's it. 4 bolts, little pipe. That's all that's holding this. And in this case, if you can't tell by the fact that I've got wires to the steering column and the air intake, this has hit a branch and is snapped and sheared off almost all the way. It's just hanging on by the top from getting bent basically back and forth. So this is a vulnerable point. And again, if I had spent the time to clear out those kind of branches before trying to drive by, maybe I wouldn't be spending almost $200 on a new muffler, which of course is hard to find for an old tractor like this. So that's what I mean about expensive. Newer compact tractors generally have the exhaust directed down with the muffler somewhere underneath the tractor, so you don't have the exhaust pipe obscuring your visibility and catching branches and things like that. But with this one, it's a vulnerable point on the tractor. So let's get started in clearing out along this stone wall. Works every time. Well, that's a nice little project done. It looks a lot better along the stone wall now, and there are no branches that are going to be able to hit the exhaust pipe and muffler on the tractor when going up along the edge of the field for mowing. So that is a success. And of course, with the burn pile back there, we'll be able to have a nice big fire this winter burning up all that brush.